Hello, and today we're going to build out the RSS Feed feature. The RSS Feed feature allows you to sync your RSS feed directly into the app. RSS feeds are a common and popular form of displaying news and information. RSS feeds load a web page that constantly updates within the app without any manual changes on your end. Updated with current news, links to articles, special offers, and endless arrays of useful info, your RSS feed can prove incredibly useful for users who will check multiple times a day for new content. The RSS feed is really great for industries like public figures, newspapers, and news media, schools. I would think sports clubs and sports teams would be a really great one to do it. So RSS feeds are actually extremely common across the web. And if you don't have one on your website already, you can ask your web developer to build you one, and it's super simple and easy. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you an example of using it at the gym. So again, I want to make my gym app really engaging to the people that are coming in. In a previous one, we added the podcast feature, and now we're going to add the news feature because maybe while they're running, they want to scroll through and check the news out. Maybe they don't want to watch any videos, but they want to read, want to multitask. So what you do with the RSS feed is you locate an RSS feed that works for you. So I found the one for the New York Times and their World blog. You definitely may want to Google like best RSS feeds or an RSS feed generator to be able to get that information. But once you do, you're going to copy the URL, you're going to paste it, and you're going to hit save. And there it is in your in-app preview. Pretty easy, simple. At that point, the RSS feed serves itself. You can add custom thumbnails. In this case, I have the little RSS logo. If I wanted to do like the New York Times, I could. In terms of feature icon, you can add whatever you want. You can also, again, do ascending or descending in terms of order. But that's the RSS feed. Thank you so much for watching.